You clap? You gonna clap? You like it? Say yay! Clap your hands if you like it. Did you like it? Yeah. Uh-oh. You're gonna get eaten by a dinosaur now. What is that? Is that a mean dinosaur? Let me see his big teeth. He got big teeth? Let me see. Let me see if he ugly. Let me see. Oh, is he ugly? Look at him. What's he say? What's he? You can't eat the dinosaur. You go, what's dinosaur eat? Trees. Say tree. Dinosaur eat tree? How does Poppy call the birdies? Make it. Let me see your lips. Show me how Poppy calls the birdie. That's it. You whistle, right? Yeah, I like you do that. Can you whistle for the birdie? Let me see. Whistle for the birdie. I didn't do it right? Can you do it? Can you do it? You do it then. Oh, that's how you do it? I didn't know. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. I didn't know you did it that way. Uh-oh. Who do you love? Poppy? You love Poppy? You love Pop? Look. Did you? Mira, you just got off that potty, Mira. Mira, did you poopy? Look at me. You poopy, didn't you? You tinky. Wait a minute.